to find. I don't know the history of it. I found it this way. I didn't see who dumped it off. It's a Gibson Skylark, 1960 model, or very close to that year. There's a number on it, GA5T. There's, I don't know if you can see a serial number, 111164. Maybe it means it's a 64, but I don't know. Had a cut cord. I didn't have this, so I improvised that behind there with a 3-amp fuse, smallest I could find. It's definitely beat up. I've seen way better days. It's got the leather handle, nice and thick. It's still halfway decent. Grill is nice shape, surprisingly. A little crack in the corner. And so this plug is kind of improvised. So we're going to fire it up. Takes a minute for the tubes to go through. I haven't used tubes in forever. Watch them glow. It'll take a minute. There she goes. Just lay it off here. That is awesome. It's been forever since I've used tubes. I put this on Fleabay Thursday night because you put 10-day auction. It lasts for till Sunday, and people Sunday evening are always around normally. And put a $50 starting price with a $350. Buy it now. Within 5 minutes of I'm listening, it's sold. Like, I didn't want to start it off, see if you get it for less. I've seen semi-similar ones going for $500, but they weren't bad, and I actually marked this as bad shape and marked all that. The guy was happy. I mentioned that just let me know what you need to do for shipping. He says take the tubes out, so I'll wrap them in some bubble wrap, then I'll put them in a box and put it in there, maybe bubble wrap the box too. He says those tubes will fall out and break. So I hope this gives you a little cool little find that you can. I know Gibson and Skylark or Gibson, Thunder, all that stuff is usually worth money. Anything old and vintage. Especially the special plates that were coming in picnic sets in the 60s. Bakelite. That stuff's worth some money. Only if we had that when we were kids. So hopefully you like watching this, and I'll shoot a link for the picture of the auction that ended. And I should have a picture when I got it, hopefully. Thank you for watching.